Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Thomas Bethany Convent School. This is Harshara teacher, and today we are going to learn about the report writing and the types of reports. So, basically, we'll see what is the report. A report discusses a topic in a structured and easy to follow format. Okay, so it means it is a very structured format and it is very easy to follow. And reports are written to present facts about a situation, project, or process and will define the issue at hand. Okay, so these are the factors of the report. Okay, so now we'll see the types of reports. So there are two types of reports. One is newspaper report and another is school magazine reports. Okay, so first we will see the newspaper report. First we'll see the format of the newspaper report. So basically, as usual, every report has a title. So this is also having the title. After that, who is writing the report? So that is for by staff reporter, usually we are written. Then place, date of the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, introduction we have to write. Then second paragraph, the main body. Third paragraph, conclusion. So, for what we are writing the newspaper report? Accident you witness, fire broke out in your locality. So, these are you are writing the, for this situation you can write the newspaper report. Okay, so for the format you are following, that 1 marks, and the content you are using for that 2 marks, and the languages, the grammatical mistakes, if you will not done, then you will get a 2 marks. In this way you will get a 5 marks for the newspaper report. So now we'll see the school magazine report. So basically, what is the school magazine report? So in this also there is a title, and obviously the school magazine report is written by the correspondent students. Then school name, place and the date when the function or the occasion was held. And first paragraph, basically it is an introduction, second paragraph is a main body, and third paragraph is a conclusion. So here also you will get the 5 marks, one for the format following, second for the content you are using, third for the language. If you are not done the grammatical mistake, you can get the 2 marks fulls, and in this way for this report also you will get the 5 marks. Okay, so now we'll see detail how to write the reports, the content for both news report and school magazine report. Okay, so first of all, this is the main section of the report. Okay, so information in a report is usually arranged in order of importance, with the most important information coming first. So first of all you have to arrange the information, and which is the most important information you have to take first, and after that the priority wise you have to give the information. Then a report must be organized logically. It should be logically organized, otherwise you will not get the marks. Then for example, to report an accident you have witnessed, it will begin with the collocation involve vehicles and its sequence. At the end, we should mention about the injured being admitted to a nearby hospital. So for a logical sequence, we can follow the style. Okay, so what is the style? That style we'll see paragraph wise. So in the first paragraph, what, when, where and how, in short you have to write. Okay, so first responses to this question will help you frame an ideal first paragraph for the both types of reports, newspaper as well as the school magazine. The first paragraph of your report should not be very lengthy, but at the same time inform the readers about all the required information. For example, for the report on the bank manager being shot. Okay, so first paragraph, in a daring what? Daylight robbery, 3 masked men enter the where Oriental Bank Kandivali branch at 10 am on Tuesday. So when the manager refused to cooperate, how? A bullet was fired at his chest from N38 revolver and he was seriously injured. The three masked men escaped in a waiting Raid Maruti van with a loot of rupees 10 lakhs. So in this paragraph you will see the four questions answers. First, what happened, when it was held, where it was held, and how it was done. So in this way you have to write the first paragraph. Then the second paragraph, what and how in detail. Please look at here, in detail you have to write in the second paragraph. First responses of this question will help you to frame the second paragraph. Then ideally the second paragraph should be written in a such a way that the reader should be able to relive the entire scenario. So the reader should relive, should look, should visualize the entire scenario. Remember, there should be a proper sequence of ideas. Use of conjunction will help in maintaining the flow. Example, who, which, however. So develop an idea, causes, reason, consequence, opinions, and all these things logically arrange. For example, for a report on the regional dance competition that you have witnessed, the bank manager Mr. Anil Tiwari was rushed to Sai Hospital. He had sustained 2 bullet wound on his chest. Doctors have reported that the condition of the manager is still critical. A case has been registered at Samtanagar police station. 4 police team besides a crime branch team have been deployed to nab the accused, SSP Mr. Pawar said. So you can add here the quote of the special authority related to the news line. Okay, so this could be the nice idea for it. Then the third paragraph. So how you can write the third paragraph? The police is also questioning employees of the bank. The SSP added to PTI. This paragraph should contain least important details. For example, the above mentioned report, the last para could be the program was well appreciated by the jury members and it created an awareness of various Indian dances for the spectators. So this is also by staff reporter you can write. Okay, so here we have learned how to write all the 3 paragraphs. Okay, so now we'll see the important points to be kept in mind for report writing. Title. The title of the report should be very effective. It should be catchy enough to grab the attention of the readers. Then length. Limit your report to approximately 110 words. At the maximum 16 to 20 lines of your board paper. Then punctuations. Take care of using the capital, lowercase and the common wherever required. Do not abruptly end your report. Means you have to end your report in a nice way. Remember that whatever the 3 paragraph I have explained before, no personal opinion you should write in the documentation. It is just documenting the facts. So for writing the report you cannot add your personal opinion. Vocabulary. Certain word, phrases, terminologies that can be used to make your report foolproof and real are as under. So whatever you are writing, you have to use the particular word, nice and rich vocabulary to represent the report. So in this way we have seen how to write a report. Now we'll see the 2 examples. First is newspaper writing report and second is magazine report. Okay, so first we will see the newspaper report. For example, A fire broke out in a shopping mall in Kolkata. Write a report to be published in the newspaper. So this is a newspaper report. We have to write the catchy headline before starting the report. Kolkata shopping mall in flames. See how much nice and catchy headline is written over here. Who has given this? By a staff reporter. So first, as I have mentioned, you have to write the place and the date. Kolkata, 10 January 2018. A major fire broke out at a shopping mall in a new market area in the heart of Kolkata on Sunday. And even after 10 hours, it was not fully doused. However, there was no report of any casualty or injury. Okay, so in this way, the reporter have given a short information about the fire broke of shopping mall. So then the second paragraph we have to write in details. The fire was reported at 11:45 am and it was suspected to have been caused by a short circuit inside the godown of the mall. The fire originated in the ground floor of the mall and spread to the other floors. The huge stock of clothes, leather items, and other inflammable materials added fuel to the fire, the official said. So this is a quote. I have already told the quotation you can use to write in details. The douse the fire, 27 fire tenders and sky ladders were used to reach the upper floor and eventually the operation ended successfully. So the minister, however, said the exact reason behind the blast was yet to be ascertained. So investigation are still in progress. So this is a newspaper report. You have seen the first paragraph. In a very short way the news was written, and in the second paragraph the given a detailed information about the incident, the accident, and in the last but not the least you have to write not too much important sentences for the news reports. So I hope you have understood how to write the newspaper report. So now we'll see how to write the school magazine report. So in the school magazine report, I have choose one example like write a report on the Van Mahotsav festival celebrated in your school. So here for the Van Mahotsav, I have written or we have selected the title is Save Trees and Save Nature. You can add a catchy headline for the news report. The students of Saraswati Vidyalaya celebrated the Van Mahotsav festival on 1st July 2017. The thought for the day and action based on Van Mahotsav were read out by the students in the morning school assembly. To make students aware of their environment and the need to protect our environment, drawing competition, collage making and poster making competition were organized for students of standard 8 and 9, and the topic was Save Tree and Save Nature as we have mentioned our title. Then Principal Mrs. Kapoor addressed the students in the morning assembly. She appealed to the students to plant at least one tree on the occasion of Van Mahotsav and nourish it. So not only plant a tree, you also nourish it. After the morning assembly, a tree plantation program was undertaken in the school campus by students of standard 5th to 9th. Drawing, collage work and poster were displayed in the school hall. Mrs. Kapoor appreciated the efforts and creativity of the students. She then gave away the tree saplings to students. The celebration of Van Mahotsav was an ideal opportunity to instill personal and social responsibility among students toward the safeguarding the trees and forest. The celebration was a grand success. So students, in this way, here we have written the school magazine report. So as I have mentioned in the first paragraph, in a short way, given the Van Mahotsav celebrated in the school. And in the second paragraph, written the detailed information about the Van Mahotsav, how it was celebrated. And after that, again for the conclusion, again we have to write the all points and conclude the importance of the Van Mahotsav and how it is important for the nurturing the safeguard value into the students' mind. So in this way we have seen both the report, news report and the school magazine report. So you have to write both the report in the composition notebook. I'll provide the PDF along with this video. I hope all of you have understood how to write the reports. Thank you students. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.